Guess who? You miss me?
West Side! Who banging on the Transformers? These trick ass niggas quick to tuck they tail. But fuck that, you know how we get. Can't get enough of this gangster shit.
It's currently like 4 o'clock in the morning, dude. I worked on these literally all freaking night long to make sure that they're ready. But if you're seeing this, it's got to be 10 o'clock by now. And all the stickers are now available again, dude. So the DBG logo stickers, the hashtag DBFam stickers, and of course the DB Strong, my favorite sticker, the one that everybody's wanting right now. They're all available, and in all 4 colors. So you can get them in red, silver, gold, and white. Fuck, dude. I'm sorry. I'm just beat ass tired right now. I need to go jump in the shower. I gotta be to work in a couple hours. But they're back! They're back just for you guys. And I'm gonna say it one more time. This is the absolute last time I'm gonna be making that DB Strong sticker. So if you guys want to get one, make sure you get it. Cause this is the last of them, man. So links in the description down below. Thank you guys to everyone's already bought a sticker. A lot of you guys missed out on it, so that's the reason why I went ahead and did another run, so that everybody has the opportunity. I hope I made enough this time, but if you're wanting one, dude, I really suggest jump on it, because last time they sold out in like 7.5 hours. They were gone. So make sure to get in there and grab yourself one while you can. Peace out, guys, and happy fucking Friday, man.